Moneymakers, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to share the best CD rates of May 2026, which is up to 4.20%. Many of you reached out about the best CD rates. More importantly, I'm going to show you the most common banks that everyone has accounts with, what you can get the best in Wells Fargo, TD Bank, and or Bank of America, because many of you reached out asking more information about help you grow your savings with a CD, and I'm going to share with you what you can do to get the best interest rates without locking up your CD. There is one CD in particular I'm going to share with you that gives you the best interest rates, and I'm going to take an example of New York, and we'll talk more about what you can get to get the best CD rates, what are the terms apply, how you can find the best rates, and all of the above. So stick here. All I'm asking in return is if you can hit the like button, that will be super helpful, and subscribe to the channel. Opening up a CD or certificate of deposit allows you to lock in attractive fixed rates and earn higher returns compared to the traditional savings account. Now, you already know that checking and savings account, they don't really earn great interests. Now, if you take a look at this screen, you can see that Lending Club offers 4.15% interest rates for 11-month term CD. E-Trade offers 4.10% for 1 year, but your money is locked here, right? Take a look, Capital One, which is 4.10% for 11 months. Now, if you're looking to buy a home, or if you're looking to park your cash, you want to make sure that your money works for you. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you in this video. In addition, I'm going to share this CD calculator. I'll put this link in the description below where you can find out, let's say if you have $50,000 and we're not being greedy, so we're going to take a look at 3.25% interest rates, which is very realistic, and I'll show you how. And you're changing it for 12 months, and you can see how much money you're going to earn. So if you put $50,000 for 12 months period at annual percentage yield or APY of 3.25%, you are looking at growing your investment from $50,000 to $51,625 right here. Your earnings is going to be $1,625, as you can see, and you can also find out using this calculator how much money you're going to earn month over month. And I'm going to show you a flexible CD that Bank of America offers at the moment, which is right here. This is a flexible CD, so let me show you real quick. You want to go on bankofamerica.com if you already have an account, click on savings and CDs, and take a look at this CDs right here. Click on the compare accounts, and here are your CDs, right? You can compare your CD options. Again, certificate of deposit, there's a featured CD, there's a fixed term CD account, but what you want to look for is flexible CD account, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Now, if you want to take a look at what is the minimum deposit, which is $1,000, as you can see, there is $250,000 maximum deposit that is insured by FDIC. A CD typically earns higher interest than a traditional savings account, as you already know. Now, if you want to take a look at here, whether these CDs are FDIC insured, all the deposits up to $250,000 per depositor, per social security number, is insured by FDIC. I'll put the link in the description below, but you already know how to find it, as you have seen my screen. And the term here is 12 months. This is what you want to look for. Now, if you want to take a look at the flexible CD, just click on Get Started and find out the rates, right? So you can look out for 12 months. That's what they offer. And you can go into the bank and they will do the same thing for you, right? How much money you want to put in? Let's select between $10,000 and $99,999, right? And click on Apply. You should be able to see the interest rates. Again, 2.96%, annual percentage yield 3%, and you can click on just open now, or you can go into the banking center and ask them to open up the CD for you. Let's say whatever the money that you're parking, and this is, again, this is not going to cost you any money if you withdraw the funds sooner than the CD maturity date. Now here is the depending on balance and term interest rate, which is annual percentage yield. Once again, annual percentage yield gives you an idea how much money you're going to earn. That is going to be between 3 and 3.51% depending on the balance and the term. Now this is one of the quick thing I wanted to tell you. Early withdrawal penalty for most CDs, what you guaranteeing is you're not going to access the money for the term of the CD, which is not the case in flexible CD account, right? You can get or withdraw the funds whenever you want without early penalty. There is only one catch, and I'm going to tell you. The bank says we'll waive the early withdrawal penalty except in connection with any withdrawal that you request within the first 6 days of the account term, or the first 6 days following any partial withdrawal. Meaning, if you open up the CD, you don't want to withdraw the funds for first 6 days, and you want to withdraw some money, you want to make sure that you don't withdraw that funds for first 6 days. After that, you withdraw and there is no penalty. So the rule is very simple, and if you follow that, you can earn the money. Now think about, let's say if you have $75,000. Now what can you do with $75,000? So let's go here and verify that. $75,000. Let's say 3% for 12 months. So 3. And you're looking at earning $2,250, which is your earning on $75,000, meaning you're earning every single month little by little. So this is a cumulative interest, right? After the money is deposited, your earning is $370. Then you go ahead, this is $556.28 on month 3. Your earning is going to be $742.62. Overall, your total interest earned is going to be $2,250. So this is Bank of America. Now, if you want to take a look at Wells Fargo, and I'm doing this video just because you mentioned that you bank with major banks, right? Wells Fargo, TD Bank, Bank of America. These are all very popular banks. They have banking centers. They're available in most of the states in the United States, so on and so forth. Now, if you want to go for Wells Fargo, I have a New York location selected in this particular example. Now, advantage of Wells Fargo CDs, you can easily get 3.24% for 7 months. For 4 months, you can get 2.99% annual percentage yield. And for 11-month CD special, these are special rates, right? So this is not really your average rate. This is 2 days CD special rates. So you want to go on wellsfargo.com, take a look at, click on the personal, and then click on savings and CDs, and then what you want to do is click on Wells Fargo CDs, and you should be able to see the screen that I'm showing you. Now, what are some of the advantages? Better interest rates right here, guaranteed return, choose your own term so you can figure out like how long you want to keep the money. And these CDs, the funds is FDIC insured. Your funds are insured by maximum limit offered by FDIC, which is $250,000 at the moment. I'm not a financial advisor, so you want to really validate, verify, make sure that you talk to the financial professional before you do all of this. But 3.24% for 7 months, right? Let's say if you have $75,000 and if you want to put that money for 3 months or 7 months rather, at 3.24%, let's say how much money you're gonna get. 3.24%, and we have selected 7 months. You are looking at $1,408.08 to keep that money for 7 months. So if you already know that you're not going to touch that $75,000 for 7 months, in this high inflation that is going on, the oil prices are about $5.25, which is huge. If you fill up your tank, you're easily looking at $50, $60, $70, depends upon the gas rate in your particular region. So again, this is a great CD in my opinion, and you can get 11 months for 3.34%. Now, there is always a relationship APY, right? So if you want to put that money for 2.99, if you have premier relationship with with this particular bank, Wells Fargo, you can get 3.25%. So you're getting the boost of 0.25%. Very similarly, right here for 7 months, the regular promotional special CD rate is 3.25%. 4%, but if you have again relationship APY, you can earn up to 3.50%. Very similarly right here, 3.60% for 11 months CD. I hope you enjoy, and if you find this video insightful, if you do, hit that like button. That helps me a lot. And also subscribe to our channel for timely videos. Last but not the least, TD Bank. You can open up a CD with TD Bank as well. All you need to do is go onto the TD Bank, click on checking and savings, click on CD, and right here you can see all your featured CD rates and the terms for TD Choice promotional CDs for 9 months right here, 12 months right here, and 18 months. Now, the best CD rate that I see right now is for 12 months, 3.25% promotional APY. And you can find out the term right here on your own. So let's say if you want to put, once again, let's go to $50,000 to $99,000. And let's take a look at for 3 months, we are looking at 2% and 1.99%. Again, I want to tell you the best rate that I was able to find is for 12 months. So let's select 12 months. For 12 months, you're getting promotional APY. Again, annual percentage yield of TD Choice CD rates is 3.25%. Which is, again, your money is locked, but you're guaranteed to get that rate. Now, let's take a look at $100,000, right? For 12 months, $100,000, you're looking at the same interest rate, 3.25%. Now, they also have the sheet rate or the CD rate sheet right here. I'll link this into the description below on this video, but the rates are effective as of April 1st, 2026. And these rates, again, are subject to change without notice. And don't quote me if you don't get this rate, because they always change these rates. But what you can see right here, instead of going through that, the drop down, you can figure things out right here. The best rate that I actually find here is 3.51% for 9 months, and for anything between 50,000 and 99,999, you can get this rate. So let's go back and check right here. So let's go here and let's go for 9 months, and right here 3.51%. Now let's say if you put 3.51% for 9 months for this particular CD, 9 months, $75,000, which is our initial deposit, 3.51% APY. Let's take a look right here, $76,965.84. So you almost made $2,000, right? You made yourself $1,965.84, which is way above the national average that someone is putting that money just in an account. They're not earning anything, 0.02%. Anyway, the national average rate is they're going to earn $591.54, but you did a lot better. So this is your, again, CD calculator that you can take a look. I'll link this as well, the best CD rates that you can find close to 4.15%, 4.10%, so on and so forth. But you may or may not have an account with this bank. Again, if you want to do it, well and good, you can deposit the money at Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and you can earn 4% for 9 months. The fixed term minimum deposit is $500. These are also FDIC insured. You really want to click on read review and figure things out yourself. One thing I wanted to tell you is what are the benefits of the CD account. The best CD rates are higher interest rates than the savings and money market accounts, right? CD are a safer and more conservative investment than stocks and bonds, but they offer less opportunity for growth. You already know that, but it's guaranteed return on your investment. Third thing is you can find CDs at the bank, credit unions, and brokerages. So you don't really have to do a lot of work. You can find this, you can just call them and you can ask the financial advisor or banker really quickly. They can set you up with this. And many banks and credit unions offer CD with very low interest rates. The CD rates can be 3 or 4 times higher than the national average rate. This is your pros, right? These are your benefits. This is what you want to really consider. What are the cons? There's a penalty for withdrawing funds early, but I showed you, especially for Bank of America, how you can not pay the penalty with flexible CD accounts. So take that into consideration as well. The another con is typically earns less than the stock and bonds over the time, but that's what your goal is, right? You want to make sure that you don't really lose your initial capital. The next thing in cons is fixed CD rate could cost you if the interest rate rise. We are not going to worry too much about it because we already know what we're going to get, and many CDs offer very low rates. That's why you want to find out. That's why you want to do the due diligence. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below or just email me. I'll help you out if you have any more questions. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'll tell you what I would do if I were you. Right? I can always share what, if you ask me pointed questions, I'll give you the answers based on my findings. Again, check with your financial advisor, banker, any certified professional. I'm not the one. This video is only for the entertainment purposes or educational purposes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.